Recently, in the Holy Mountain Buddha Land, some large construction projects, such as the Holy Mountain Arch, 1,250 stairs and a big square, are underway. Holy Master Ziguang Shang Shi led his disciples, volunteers, and students from the Instructor Class spare no effort to work on the site, creating a new image for the Holy Mountain. Let's go to the site and record the progress of the projects.
跟住用隻鋪落工程，火朝天。
Holy Master has indicated these projects can help develop local tourism and attract more people here. The arch and stairs symbolize the Buddha's disciples descending from the stairway to heaven to fulfill the Buddha's vows and guide the destined ones together at the Holy Mountain Buddha Land. Reported by Elise from Holy Mountain.